Good day, Risers. Welcome to the PMII Supervisor Development Program. Basically, in a nutshell, these are mini programs that we will run every 2 weeks, and they're just going to be 30 minutes long. The reason for that is so that we can all go back to our work and apply what we learned. So the design of LDP201, which is the Supervisor program, is done in such a way na we don't take you away from your work as much as possible. So this is the introduction video, and what you're going to go through is I'm going to explain to you what the programs are and what is the process. So at the beginning of every mini workshops or mini lesson, we're going to be registering our attendance, so that the attendance is taken on the spot. So because sometimes we register for workshops, but something comes up and we are not able to attend it. At least our attendance will be more accurate. And then, of course, as always, we open up with an opening prayer and an icebreaker. The icebreaker could just be a few minutes long, so that we can go back to our 30-minute workshop. And the workshop will cover the following, so to speak, legs. Leg number one, we're going to talk about topics that cover our cognitive skills. And our cognitive skills is composed of a group of sub-skill, which is, number one, is critical thinking. And critical thinking, there will be lessons on structured problem solving, logical reasoning, understanding biases, and seeking relevant information. And then we're going to have a second group under cognitive skills, which is planning and ways of working. Under that, we're going to talk about, for every meeting, this is not all at one shot. So every meeting we're going to cover one topic, one subtopic. So we're going to cover work plan development, time management, and prioritization, and agile thinking. And then you have a third segment under cognitive skills, which is communication. We're going to talk about storytelling, public speaking, asking the right questions, synthesizing messages, and actually active listening. And then the fourth group under cognitive skill, we're going to talk about topics on mental flexibility. So these are creativity and imagination, translating knowledge into different contexts, adapting different perspective, adaptability, and ability to learn. The second leg, or the second group of lessons, will be covering interpersonal skills. The first batch of lessons will be about mobilizing systems, role model, win-win negotiation, crafting inspiring vision, organizational awareness. The second topic, or the second group of topics under interpersonal skills, will cover developing relationships. So this is empathy, inspiring trust, humility, and sociability. And then you have teamwork effectiveness, fostering inclusiveness, motivating different personalities, resolving conflicts, collaboration, coaching, and empowering. The third leg of the series is our self-leadership, or leading ourselves. The first batch of lessons under self-leadership is self-awareness and self-management. So the subtopics are understanding our own emotions and triggers, self-control and regulation, understanding own strengths, integrity, self-motivation, and wellness, and self-confidence. And then you have another group under entrepreneurship, which covers courage, risk-taking, driving change and innovation, energy, passion, optimism, breaking orthodoxies. And then finally, you have a batch of lessons under group achievement, ownership and decisiveness, achievement orientation, grit and persistence, coping with uncertainty, and self-development. And then we decided to gamify this LDP201. So we have three categories of prizes. So we have a category for certificate of completion, This is a certificate plus I'm a Supervisor learner tumbler. And then we're going to have your name engraved in that so that everyone can see, as you drink coffee, that you are a super learner. All you need to do is attend 95 to 100% of the programs. And again, attendance is entered online during the workshop itself. The second the second set of prize is for certificate of application. And plus I super apply what I learned cross pen. And that cross pen will be engraved with your name. So while you're writing or signing, everybody sees that you are a super applier of knowledge. Just send me the stories on how you applied at least 3 of the lessons in your actual work. And then the highest certificate is Certificate of Mastery, wherein you demonstrated this by conducting any 3 of the 30-minute workshop with your peers or your teams. Just send us the topic, picture of the class, date, and participants' names, and then you get the chance to win an exclusive Kohana Amore gift box. And then on top of the box, we will engrave your name and it will say, I am a Super RISER Master. So if you notice, there are 4 legs, but the 3 legs we're going to cover in the following workshop. The 4th leg, which is a little bit technical, will be distributed in the form of articles via email. Thank you, and hope you enjoy and learn and apply what you learned from the LDP201.